What's up, guys? Welcome to So Freaking Good. I'm Sophia, and today we are making buckwheat. Have you ever tried buckwheat? Let me know in the comments below. Buckwheat is actually a pseudo cereal or a pseudo grain, so that makes it gluten-free, yes, grain-free, and always so freaking good. Buckwheat's actually really high in fiber, and it's got a unique nutty taste that goes really well with all sorts of foods. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell so that you get notifications whenever we come out with a new video. The key to making buckwheat that doesn't get mushy is to fry the buckwheat first in the pan. I like to use butter, but you can absolutely use olive oil, coconut oil, or any other kind of fat you'd like. I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's so freaking good. The trick to making buckwheat that doesn't get mushy in the pot is frying it first in some butter. You're going to fry this over medium heat for about 2 minutes until it smells extra fragrant and has darkened a shade or two. Stir it continuously so it doesn't burn. If you're using 1 cup of buckwheat, you're going to use 1.5 cups of water or broth. Now you're going to bring this to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, if there's still any water at the bottom, you can leave the lid off and continue cooking for a few minutes until all the water evaporates. Stop overcooking your buckwheat and make perfectly chewy, tender, nutty buckwheat every time. It's so freaking good. If you like this recipe, why not share it with a friend? We'll see you next time on So Freaking Good. No, that's way too much. Hang on. And then just keep talking.
Later.
See you later.
Yeah.
Buckwheat.